Hello, welcome dear students. Welcome to online teaching program organized by Gokhale Education Society. I am Mr. B.S. Patil, working in HL High School English Medium, Ozar Township. Today we are going to study Geography, Standard 6, Lesson number 6, Part 2, Importance of Oceans. Let's see the lesson point wise. Eighth point, pressure belts and winds. The equatorial region receives perpendicular sunrays. As a result, this region gets more heat. On the other hand, polar regions receive extremely slanted sunrays. As a result, these regions get less heat. This differential heating creates imbalance in the temperature of air in different parts. This in turn leads to formation of belts of high and low pressure on the earth. Winds blow due to pressure differences in these belts. These winds are called planetary winds. 9. Ocean currents. Planetary winds move the oceanic water in the form of currents. Ocean currents are of the following two types: 1. Warm ocean currents, and 2. Cold ocean currents. Warm ocean currents move from the equatorial region to the polar regions, and cold ocean currents move from the polar regions to the equatorial region. This leads to redistribution of heat on the earth. Cold ocean currents flowing from the polar regions to equatorial regions reduce the temperatures of the coasts in the equatorial region. The warm ocean currents flowing from the equatorial region to the polar regions increases the temperatures of the coasts in the polar region. 10th point, water cycle. The oceans have vast expanse. Therefore, huge amount of vapor is created. From this vapor, the earth gets rainfall. Thus, oceans are the source of rains. The rainwater flows through streams and rivers and finally flows back into the oceans. It means the beginning and end of the water cycle takes place in the oceans. 11th point, ocean and resources. Man gets the following resources from the oceans: minerals like iron, lead, cobalt, sodium, manganese, chromium, zinc, etc. we get from ocean. Precious items like pearls, corals, and ornamental items like shells also we get from oceans. Mineral oil and natural gas mostly we get from ocean. Food items like prawns, clams, crabs, spearfish, mackerel, pomfret, Indian shark, Indian salmon, etc. And also the medical plants we get from the ocean. 12th point, oceanic transport. Oceans have provided us the most economic option of transportation. International trade is carried out on a large scale using waterways. Countries like Spain, Norway, Japan have gained importance in water transport. By waterways, bulky materials like coal, crude oil, raw materials, metallic materials food grains, etc., can be transported with ease. Water transport carried out along ocean currents accelerates the speed of ship and also saves fuel to a considerable extent. Last point, 13th, issues related to oceans, oil spills, exploitative fishing, releasing the waste produced in the coastal cities into the seas, sewage released by industries and cities, etc. factors have caused an increase in pollution of oceanic water. As a result, many aquatic animals are under the threat of being extinct. I tried to cover all the points related to this lesson, importance of oceans. I hope you have understood all the points. You have to complete the given exercise from your textbook in your homework book, review the video, and